So this is image theorem. If Q h comma k is the image of the point P x1 comma y1 with respect to the straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Now let's start the proof. So in the image theorem, first you draw this figure. Okay, let's say this point as R. This is P, this is Q. And this line is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Okay. Now first let us write the given line equation. Given line equation is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. Now what is slope of this line? Slope of this line is, let us denote it by m1, that is minus a by b. Whenever line equation is given, its slope is given by minus a by b. Now P is x1 comma y1 and Q is h comma k. Now here Q is the image of P. Okay, P is x1 y1 and Q is h comma k. Now what is slope of the line PQ? Let us denote it by M2. So formula when 2 points are given is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So that is k minus y1 by h minus x1. So we got M2 as k minus y1 by h minus x1. Now after we get M1 and M2, you can see the figure. Both the lines are perpendicular. Write this line AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0 and PQ. Both are perpendicular. So since lines are perpendicular, what is the condition we always use for perpendicular lines? M1, M2 is equal to minus 1. So M1 is minus A by B. And M2 is k minus y1 by h minus x1 is equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. We take a by h minus x1 to the other side. So we get h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b. Let us say that is equal to small r. Let's say. Okay. Now if I equate the first term to r and second term to r, what do we get? H minus x1 is equal to ar we will get. So h is equal to x1 plus ar. Then k minus y1 is equal to br. So k is equal to y1 plus br. Okay. Now after you get the values of h and k, now you can see R is the midpoint of P and Q, correct? R is the midpoint of PQ. Now P is x1, y1 and Q is h comma k. So we use midpoint formula here. How will you get R? x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the formula for midpoint. So that is h plus x1 by 2, k plus y1 by 2. You can take x1 plus h also or h plus x1. Anyhow you can take. Now you can see R lies on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now in the place of x and y, we will substitute this R point which we got just now. So a into h plus x1 by 2 plus b into k plus y1 by 2 plus c is equal to 0. Now we need to take LCM. So first multiply this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So AH plus AX1 plus BK plus BY1 plus 2C, no? There is no by 2 here. So we need to multiply C with 2. That is equal to 0. Now in the place of H and K, we will substitute this. So A into X1 plus AR plus AX1 plus B into Y1 plus BR plus BY1 plus 2C is equal to 0. Now multiply this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this. So you will get AX1 plus A square R plus AX1 plus BY1 plus B square R plus BY1 plus 2C is equal to 0. Now we will simplify this. AX1 plus AX1 is 2AX1. BY1 plus BY1 is 2BY1. So we will get 2AX1 plus 2BY1 plus 2C plus R if I take common, B A square plus B square is equal to 0. Now from these three terms, I will take 2 common. If I take 2 common, I will get AX1 plus BY1 plus C plus R into A square plus B square is equal to 0. So take this first term to the other side. You will get R into A square plus B square is equal to minus 2 into AX1 plus BY1 plus C. So the whole term becomes negative. Now you take A square plus B square that side. You will get minus 2 into AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A square plus B square. Now substituting value of R in equation number 1. So let's take this equation as equation number 1. Now we will substitute there. So we get H minus X1 by A is equal to K minus Y1 by B is equal to minus 2 into AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A square plus B square. Hence the theorem. Now let's take a problem based on image of the perpendicular. So find the image of the point 1, 2 in the straight line 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. So first let us write the given line. Given line is 3x plus 4y minus 1 is 0. From this line we get ABC values. A is 3, B is 4 and C is minus 1. Now given point is 1, 2. Let us take this as x1, y1. Now we have image formula. What is the image formula? H minus x1 by A is equal to K minus y1 by B is equal to minus 2 into AX1 plus BY1 plus C by A square plus B square. Now substitute H minus 1 by 3 is equal to K minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 2 into 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2 minus 1 by A square plus B square 9 plus 16. So H minus 1 by 3 is equal to K minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 2 into 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 minus 1 is 10. 10 by 25. 5 twos are 5 fives are, that is minus 4 by 5. Now we will equate h minus 1 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 5 and k minus 2 by 4 is equal to minus 4 by 5. Take 3 to the other side, you will get minus 12 by 5. Here you take 4 to the other side, you will get minus 16 by 5. Now take 1 to the other side, you will get minus 12 by 5 plus 1. Here if I take minus 2 to the other side, you will get minus 16 by 5 plus 2. Now you take LCM minus 12 plus 5 by 5. And here if you take LCM, you get minus 16 plus 10 by 5. So 12 minus 5 is minus 7 by 5. And here minus 6 by 5. So image is minus 7 by 5 comma minus 6 by 5. This is the image of the point. So let's take another problem, that is find the image of 1 comma minus 2 with respect to the straight line. 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So this will be the figure. Okay. So first let us write the given line. Given line is 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So A is 2, B is minus 3 and C is 5. Given point is 1 comma minus 2. Let us take it as x1, y1. Now we apply the formula. What is image formula? H minus x1 by A is equal to k minus y1 by B is equal to minus 2 into ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So h minus 1 by 2 is equal to k plus 2 by minus 3 equals to minus 2 into 2 into 1 minus 3 into minus 2 plus 5 by 4 plus 9. So h minus 1 by 2 equals k plus 2 by minus 3 equals minus 2 into 2 plus 6 plus 5 by 13. So 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 2 is 13. So that is minus 2 into 13 by 13. 13, 13 cancel, that is minus 2. Now we equate the first two terms to minus 2. So we get h minus 1 by 2 equals minus 2 and k plus 2 by minus 3 equals minus 2. Cross multiply. So h minus 1 equals minus 4, k plus 2 equals 6. So h is equal to minus 4 plus 1, k equals to 6 minus 2. H is minus 3 and k is 4. So therefore image is equal to minus 3 comma 4.